Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a new poem, The Bridge Builder. Already we have seen in this first section that section belongs to the care. So here the lesson and the poem is totally belongs to the care of others. So here the bridge builder, the writer is the poet is Will Allen Dromgoole. Here in this poem I will explain you first of all central theme of the poem. There is one old man who crossed the small canal, we can say. Actually it is given river or something stream, but it is a canal through which he crossed to the other side. Okay, and when he crossed, he safely reached to the other side. But as he is old person, so he thinks about other, like young person, like young man, young people or small children. So he decides to bridge one or to connect that two different banks of that canal by the bridge. So he builds there one bridge. But here some people used to ask him, why do you do it? Okay, so why he is doing so, we have to see line by line. See, this is very good and full of emotions and sensible poem it is. An old man going alone highway. See, alone spelling is continue ALONE, but here the poet has shown his style of writing. Alone highway means here he wants to emphasize the meaning, emphasize the what we can say aloneness of the person. Means here dual meaning we can consider. The person as he is grown up, as he becomes older and older, so his path becomes alone and alone. So that here the poet wanted to convey his meaning. Okay, and he wanted to emphasize the what we can say the seriousness, the exact span of the old person. That's why he has used such a style. An old man going alone highway, when he was going alone by the highway, came at the evening cold and grey. So when he was moving, he came at a particular place where the totally atmosphere means it was the timing of evening, cold. Okay, in the twilight means the time after 5:30 and before 6 o'clock. This time there we don't see light, there we don't see darkness. That time is called twilight. So it was cold and grayish. To a chasm, this meaning chasm meaning deep opening in the ground, or here see in the picture is given a deep opening, just like a canal we can use a simple word. To a chasm, we have to pronounce here chasm. Vast, how it was? Vast means too big, deep, too deep, and wide means too much wide. Okay, through which was flowing a Sulen tide. Sulen tide, it is just unpleasant flowing of water, which is not good for health, which is not good to see, and which is not good to get its what smell. That is why it is called Sulen tide. Okay. Yes, dram and unpleasant stream. Here we want dark and unpleasant stream. But he turned when safe on the Sulen stream means the flowing water had no fear for him. As he was older, as he was grown up, as he was very matured, so he did not fear. He had not any kind of fear of the Sulen stream. So, but he turned when safe on the other side. He crossed that canal. He crossed that canal, and he what we can reached at a safe place very properly, and built a bridge to span the tide. To cross that tide, to cross that water, to cross that flow of water, to cross that Sulen stream, he bridge there, means he made a bridge of wood, and there we find he has thought he thought very much about other person, other people, okay, whosoever are follower of the old man. Here we can get rhyming scheme, rhyming word also. Highway, grey, wide, tide, him, here not, tide, side, and again here tide. So let's start with the second stanza. Hope you have understood this first stanza. In this first stanza, the poet was the old person was crossing one of the canal which of full of unpleasant water. He crossed. He had not fear any kind of water, unpleasant water, and when he came back at that time, he bridged up, means he connected the two sides of the water by the wooden bridge. And here again in the in the second stanza, old man said to a fellow pilgrim near. Pilgrim means here traveler, okay. Old man said to a fellow who was traveling that area, you are wasting your strength with building here. Now he was busy in building that bridge. So see, in the picture is given there we can see people, or there we can see a person who was giving him suggestion. You are wasting your strength with building here. You are just wasting your time, you are wasting your strength, you are wasting your money also, because if he wanted to build a bridge, so he has to purchase wood, sticks and all. So that's why that young person is giving him suggestion. Why are you doing so? You are just wasting your time, money and strength also. Your journey will end with the ending day. See, now he is making irony. Irony means in our own word, teaching to that old person that after some days you will be losing your life. Journey means here, dual meaning is given. Journey means here the life. You are going to end your journey by this ending day. You never again will pass this way. Maybe you will be never crossing again this way. Journey is meaning here given by the two way. One is life, and second where he had started his journey on the highway. So you will never again pass this way. It may be happening with you that you will never come back and never will go through this way. You have crossed the chasm. You have crossed the chasm, deep opening line in the ground. You have crossed that canal. Why are you doing so? You have crossed the chasm, deep and wide, which is very deep and wide, which is not good. Why build bridge at evening tide? And my dear old person, why are you bridging that canal at the evening tide? What is the need? You are just wasting your time, strength and money here. And we get rhyming words near, here, day, way, wide and tide. Again here in the stanza number 3, the whole meaning of and the whole reply of the old person is given in this third stanza. It is little bit takes time to understand, so that please read it very carefully, and we have to go line by line. The builder lifted. Who is the builder? The old person lifted his old grey head. Why it is called grey head? Because that person is very old and his hair are totally become grey in color. So after giving suggestion by that young person who is given in the picture, speaking with that old person, giving suggestion, why are you wasting your time, money and strength? He listened him very carefully. He understood. Now he started giving reply in the third stanza. So this line tells us that here old person lifted up his old and grey head. Good friends, in the path I have come, he said. Good friends, you are correct, but where from I came here, there followed after me today. There were so many people who followed me, means after me there may be so many people had crossed this unpleasant tide. A youth whose feet must pass this way, this chasm that has been as naught to me. Means in these two lines the meaning is too deep, meaning is different, that after me old people young people whosoever followed me, they must have gone through this unpleasant tide which is nothing for me, because like this, like my age, like my oldness, this stream and the water has become dirty, okay, because their time is passing, dirt is collecting into this stream. So like this in my age also I have experienced so many incident, and getting that incident I have also become older. So this unpleasant water is just nothing to me. It is just like old experience. But whosoever, the young people who are new, who are young, who are just what we can say flower to bloom, okay, for them it is very difficult to cross, just like a little what we can say little boy, little girl, how can they cross? So there is deep caring by the poet, okay, for the young. This chasm that has been as nothing to me, means nothing, not to me means nothing to me, to that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. So the same thing, it is just like nothing to me as I have grown up, but it is very difficult for the young people. Or in young people we can consider small children also, a lady also. He too must cross in the twilight dim. That person, that young boy, young girl, young lady, whosoever crossed, they also had to face difficulty while crossing in the twilight. Twilight means, already I have told you the meaning of twilight, after 5:30 and before the 6 o'clock, where in the evening, where we don't find much darkness and much light. So that span of 30 minutes or 45 minutes is considered the twilight, okay, and twilight is always dim, not in bright color. So how they must have faced so many problems in the twilight dims. Good friends, again he is giving him a good thing, a good suggestion. Good friends, I am building this bridge for him. For him means the people, young people who have faced difficulty while crossing this canal, unpleasant tide, sullen tide, okay. So good friends, he has used metaphor like good friends to that young people who was giving him suggestion for wasting his strength. So here in this third stanza, the whole and soul gist of the poem we find in this last stanza. It is very good, very sensible, and hope you have understood it. Thank you.